guys, what's going on? Today is actually Tuesday. I gotta work early because I have to go to fucking court for a ticket I caught in 2016 for fucking speeding because I had to go around a bus that fucking almost hit me. Long story short, fucking said that I was guilty. Some bullshit. Whatever. So yeah, I got out early, so I'm gonna take this time to put some seat belts that I got. Yeah, I got some regular Amazon seat belts, some cheap shirts for like 60 bucks, I believe. Some regular seat belt harness that I'm gonna put on just for now, for the meantime. Reason I bought some just like whatever seat belts is because I'm not sure what seat belts I want to get yet. And I'm not trying to rush and get something that I don't want to get, so I gotta look into some seat belts, 4-point harness ones, see what I like. But I want to take my time because I've seen some that I don't really like. I know there's some 5-point harness, 5-point harness seat belts. I mean, that you have to like, you know, drill the floor, and I do not want to do any of that. So, yeah. But this is where my tire basically is rubbering right here. I had like some rubber here, so I have nothing here. There's like nothing at all here. All of this has been cut out years ago, so there's like, I guess you can see there's nothing there. So what I'm gonna do is get my Dremel grinder again and then just grind this off again. But I have to lift up the car anyways because I don't really like, car's like slammed. Like, if you guys see it, like slam. I don't really like that look at all. I like when a car is at a decent height. Just gives it like that, you know, that aggressive track stance or whatever. So, but yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and start putting these seatbelts on and see how long it takes. Alright, I always like to run my seatbelts crisscross. Don't know why. Feel like it looks better, but this one is already tightened, as you guys can see. So you put a little bushing. What is like a little space on the inside, so this can be able to breathe freely. This is already like fully tight. It can't go literally no more. So I'm just gonna tighten this one up right here, which is already kind of fully tight. And then I'm gonna do the ones on the side right there, and then this one on the inside, which I'm gonna try to figure out how I'm gonna get into that one. I don't think I'm gonna be able to do the passenger one because there's a bolt and that thing stuck in here that I forgot to take out, so we'll see how that happens. It's like right there, if you guys can see it. But we'll figure out. I have to take my hat off. I'm sweating in it. It's like 90 degrees today. Alright guys, just like that. All of them are on. Got this one on. This one in there, done with the bolt. And now I'm back. So now I'm gonna sit in the car and adjust them. And I might just end up doing that one if I could get that bolt from the inside out. We'll see. Let me just adjust these first. Alright guys, just like that. Both seatbelts is on. They're on right here. On the side as well. They're done. Yeah, so here's it. Got the seatbelts on. Put the back seat on. That's about it. Call it a day. Pretty sure Sunday I'm bringing the car to go get. Sending the car on Sunday to go to Yonkers to, what was the Bronx or one of those, wherever the shop is at, to start the fabrication. So I'm gonna put the seat in, and then next time you guys see me pick up the camera, something's definitely gonna be going on with the car. So we'll see. So I'm in a car right now, right? And I wanted to make a quick video because if you guys don't know, yesterday I recorded me cleaning the car all nice, vacuuming, did the whole 9 yards on the car. Did a beautiful job cleaning it, as you guys can see. I vlogged a whole bunch of more stuff, and everything just, well, I deleted the clips off the camera by accident, but it wasn't much. It was just basically cleaning the car, just, you know, turning it on and stuff like that. But I'm just upset, so yeah, on to the video. What up guys, it's the next day. It's Saturday, about 8:30 in the morning right now. We're officially taking the car to go get fabrication. It's deep, it's all the way in Yonkers, so it might be like an hour drive around, and maybe like 40 minutes since it's early. Hoping it's not that, it doesn't take that long. But yeah, I'm gonna take the hood off, wait for my dad to come. I'm gonna put the hood in his car, let her warm up, and yeah, gonna hit the road. I got some stuff that I got everything I need already in the car. Then I have some push lock fittings with the holes and everything right here. So they're basically gonna be taking care of fabrication and putting on the push locks, and the hoses and everything, and all the stuff like that. So far, so good. We got 35 minutes left. But so far, so good.
What's up?
Yo, what up, bro? Oh, look at this fucking turbo. What the Yo, that shit is humongous. Got some titanium welding over here. Sheesh. K-Mode, of course. Alright, we got my guy Ben. He's the one that's gonna do. You hear? You guys about to go crazy. So don't laugh at my battery setup. I haven't, we haven't. Hold it up. It's recording. I haven't. You have to put the placement perfectly there on the battery. I have to put this in the back to get left. Oh, this shit's clean. Huh? Okay. And then piping. It's just the wastegate stuff. And that's about it, right? So I need to bring this. Oh, and I brought this. Just as you guys already gonna just know. So you already know the length. Oh, let me get the one you got. What? Full throttle. Yeah. So. Yeah, it's over here. So solenoid's over here. It's right here.
Alright.
Once you take the bumper off, you'll see it. It needs to get a little tightened, but you'll see it.
Right.
You could just change the front one and the side one. Cause I'm gonna run. For the fittings, I was just a 90 and then a straight. Obviously, to the waist. Oh, so and this is what I was saying. So I was gonna take the turbo off, but I didn't take it off because I was like I didn't want to take it off and whatever. So it's just the hole is already if you touch right there, the spot's already there. It's just not welded. I mean, it's just not drilled. So I just tapped that. I have it here. I think it's here on the door. Yeah, look. I got the tap set for the MPT, the 1.8 MPT.
Okay.
So yeah. So that's about it. So Ben, what we doing to the car? Let the people know what we doing.
We are going to make a. I'm so nervous.
Nah, you good.
What are we doing? We're doing a lot. We're doing an intercooler. We're doing a custom intercooler. Hot hole. We're doing
I'm gonna do a hood exit for right here. And then he's gonna work his magic, and we're gonna go from the wastegate around, make use of that hole, obviously, since we're not gonna be using that for the hood eggs anymore. And then he's gonna make a custom intercooler, which will be regular. The outlet will be right here, right? Yeah, so it'll be regular here, and then this side on the intercooler, which will be a straight back door, so it'll be straight there. And then when he takes the turbo out, he's gonna drill the vacuum port for me here, and then plug everything up for me. And then yeah, this thing's gonna look crazy. So well, it's gonna be from no piping to full. Yes, I cannot wait. It looks so weird, like the front end, like the bottom with no intercooler and shit.
It does. It's empty.
Literally, it looks empty. But yeah, so he's the one that made this for me, temporary, just to get the base map going. So now he gets to take that back, and then yeah, he's about to go crazy on this. He's gonna make you say you're gonna make a template, right, for the bumper?
Yeah.
For the bumper, for the hood. And I'm not so I have hood exits, but I don't know if I wanna. I kind of want to run them again because I like it because it lets, you know, obviously lets the heat out. But my question is, if I take it out, the exhaust will just probably be a little bit over the hood, right?
Yeah.
Tiny bit. So that'll be fine. It won't look bad because I was thinking of maybe even changing, you know, the stock hood hinges to the quick release ones.
Yeah.
But if I don't run that, it'll just be a tad bit sticking out, which will be better anyways because it'll be over the hood and it won't be burning the hood and everything. Yeah. So this is Ben's spot right here to do all they fucking crazy ass bolts and stuff. Yeah, I was looking at this turbo over here. Whose turbo is this?
This turbo is for this Toyota Corolla.
This one right here?
Yeah.
Bro.
That's for this thing.
My dad's in love with this right here. Oh look, Daddy, come. Oh yeah, I didn't see no thing on that side. Man, these motors always so small, bro. Shit is crazy. Shit doesn't even look like a fucking motor.
I know, right?
It's because that rotary shit is so like.
It's so tiny.
Yeah.
The turbo is half the size of this motor.
Literally, yeah. Bro, I think the trans is bigger than the motor.
Yeah.
Jesus, like you could, bro, you could. What the fuck? That shit is so small.
Yep.
And it's crazy because little ass motors be putting out power too. Look at this turbo going in it. Jesus Christ. This is insane.
Yeah. This is gonna be nice.
What are you doing this? You doing thing on the tool or no?
Same kind of setup. We're doing a custom turbo manifold.
Oh, okay.
And then we're doing the intercooler piping, intercooler, all the, you know, bells and whistles.
Yeah. Damn, this is crazy. This shit doesn't even look like a fucking motor, bro.
It doesn't.
I thought there was like a head missing.
Yeah, right. It looks like the head is missing.
Yeah, this shit is crazy.
Where's the other half of the motor? That's just a show block.
Yeah, that is insane.
Yeah.
It literally looks like one whole trans.
Kind of does.
Sheesh. Only thing is, do a quick test. The clicking?
Yeah. Good.
It's clicking, so why is it not popping VTEC?
Clicking. Oh, it's not on, but you sure it's not? You sure it's not popping?
I don't hear it. Like I don't physically like hear the VTEC.
You're not getting on it though. Crazy.
Getting power or something. Click it forward twice.
The best way to do this is, I'll check it for you.
Alright, so we're about to leave the car here. So we're about to be here for not sure how long, but try to get as much content from them or whenever I could pass by. A whole bunch of cars he's doing fab work for. Damn, it was crazy leaving my car here. Ben, I'm out of here. Take care of my baby like it's yours. I feel like I'm a car right now. Oh man, I've never left my car this far. Well, actually I did for the break, but it was for like a day. Damn, I feel like I'm leaving my child behind right now.
She's in good hands. I know.
Nah, I know she's definitely in good hands. She's about to get lipo, BBL. She's about to get everything. Fuck, man. I can't wait, bro. So this right here is the core that they use. It's a 3-inch, right?
Yeah.
So it's a 3-inch intercooler core, where he's gonna be fabbing up both sides and making me basic custom intercooler. And we might. You said we could write something on it, right? Maybe write something on it.
We could do something.
So let's see. I don't even know what would we write it at though. One of one. I don't know. Somewhere. I don't know.
Somewhere.
We'll figure it out. But yeah, so he's basically doing everything. Everything on this car is gonna be custom. So I feel like I'm gonna come back and I'm not even gonna like notice the car, because I've seen it so long with no piping that I feel like once I see with like piping, intercooler and everything, it's gonna be like, what the fuck? Like right now it just looks like an old motor car, but when you see that piping and the intercooler, that's when it looks like
I'll have a box of tissue for you. So
fucking aggressive. A box of tissue. Oh I'm gonna need everything. Fuck, bro, shit looks so good. Alright, bro, we're out of here. My guy's about to take over. Next time, well, not next time. Next time we'll see an update, and then we'll see whenever it's done.